Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel. Today friends we are going to talk about guys how can we solve guys mobile network problem in our Realme phone guys. We have guys a mobile network problem in your Realme phone guys you want to solve, so you can solve. And guys, now let's say guys how to solve guys mobile network problem in our Realme phone. In this video I will show you guys. So before starting video can first of all go and subscribe the channel, click the bell icon and like my video. So and first of all guys we will on guys our phone setting to solve guys our mobile network problem guys. This mobile network problem you want to solve, you can solve in a Realme phone. So and we will scroll it and guys you can see your phone system setting guys, tap here and guys scroll it. Friends you can see guys your backup and reset guys, tap here guys, click on guys reset phone option and guys click on guys your mobile network setting guys, tap here to solve it. So guys your mobile network problem is solved in your Realme phone. After that guys you have any problem guys in your mobile network, so I don't worry guys, take a screenshot of your phone model number guys, send me on comment section, so I will check guys, I will help you. So bye friends, thanks for watching the video. Before going please go and like the video, subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching.